The tungsten hot zone starts nitriding at 600 degrees Celsius in the air, and the tungsten hot zone is in a hydrogen-containing medium. 250 to 950 degrees Celsius will absorb hydrogen. So the welding and heat treatment of the tungsten hot zone should be carried out in vacuum, or under the protection of inert gas. Features of molybdenum hot zone and tantalum hot zone are high temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, high thermal conductivity, small thermal expansion coefficient and high hardenability.